Off into space. Man, that takes real teamwork. And here's a team of junior spacemen with an out-of-this-world breakfast that teams up V-8 Juice and Cheerios for flavor and energy. What a treat! A flavorful glassful of refreshing V-8 Juice and Cheerios with power protein, plus vitamin B1 for Go Power. And now, here's a special out-of-this-world free offer. This moon rocket kit, both a toy and an exciting game. First, Blastoffs. It separates in midair and lands 2 spacemen on a moon map. You get this wonderful game only through this free offer. Send your name and address and 1 V-8 label plus 1 box top from these specially marked packages of Cheerios, Kicks, or FrostyOs to Moon Rocket Kit, Mount Vernon 10, New York. Get Campbell's V-8 cocktail vegetable juice with any one of these Big G cereals.